Hi, 大家好, I'm Allison. Welcome back to my channel. If you like my video, please subscribe, leave the thumbs up, and send to a friend who also want to learn Chinese. In this series, we are going to talk about Chinese idioms. In the video, I will explain the meaning of one particular idiom in English, then tell you the story behind that idiom in Chinese. After that, I will give you some example of how to use it.So make sure you watch to the end. 掩耳盗铃 is a Chinese idiom that literally translates to covering your ears while stealing a bell. Refers to be the act of trying to cheat oneself or others, ignore the obvious truth or reality on purpose. It implies a self-deceptive behavior where one attempts to hide from.or deny the consequences or negative outcomes of their actions, even though those actions are obvious to others. It is normally used to warn people such behavior is useless and foolish, and hence encourage people to face reality instead of avoiding it. In a broader sense, 掩耳盗铃 can also be used to describe situations where people ignore warnings, facts,or advice on purpose, leading to negative consequences that could have been prevented if they had listened or realized the truth. 春秋时期的晋国有一户人家，家里有一口很漂亮的钟。有一个小偷看到了这口钟，想趁着主人不在家的时候把钟偷走。但是钟很大，他抱也抱不动，背也背不走，怎么办呢？他想，不如把大钟砸碎，把碎铜一块一块搬回家去。于是他举起铁锤就砸，没想到大钟当的一声，把他吓了一大跳。他害怕让人听见，急忙双手捂住自己的耳朵，发现钟的声音变小了。他以为自己听不见钟声，别人也就听不见钟声了。所以他想，这样太好了，我可以把耳朵捂住，这样钟声就没有了。他找了2块棉花，把耳朵堵上了以后，就开始放心地砸着钟。钟的声音非常大，传到了很远的地方。周围的人都听到了钟声，赶过来把小偷抓住了。这件事情已经很清楚了，你为什么还要掩耳盗铃呢？掩耳盗铃最后不会有好结果的。我知道你做了什么，不要掩耳盗铃。